Top 7 Facebook Advertising Facts You Probably Didn't Know. With over 2 billion people actively using Facebook every month and thousands more signing up every minute, it seems that everyone who's ever been near a computer or smartphone knows what Facebook is. But you probably don't know these 7 Facebook advertising facts we're going to be sharing with you in this presentation. 1. You can advertise on Instagram. Instagram was bought by Facebook in 2012. If you'd like to promote your ads on Instagram, you'd need to do so via Facebook ads. You can choose the Instagram option in the Ad Placement section of Facebook Ads Manager and Power Editor. 2. Facebook ads are way cheaper than Google AdWords. Google is king of search engines, but Facebook is king of social media. With the right mix of audience targeting and ad creativity, you can get clicks and leads for a fraction of a penny with Facebook ads. 3. You can easily create a custom audience. If you have an email list or enough data on your Facebook pixel, which you need to install on your website, then you can create a custom audience and target these people with your ads. 4. You can even create a lookalike audience. If you've got a winning audience, that is, an audience with high conversion rates, then you may want to reach more of the same people. You can do this by creating a lookalike audience. Facebook will look for people who match your winning audience. 5. Organic reach is declining. As people add more friends, like more pages, and join more groups, their Facebook newsfeed is bombarded with new posts and updates. This translates to a decline in organic reach. Paying for ads is the best way to get your content noticed quickly by your fans and your target audience. 6. You can change your budget anytime. If you want to test how Facebook ads work, you can spend a few dollars just to see how your audience will react. You can split test until you find the best performing ads, and then scale your budget accordingly. 7. There are over 5 million advertisers on Facebook. It might seem like a lot of advertisers, but when you consider there are over 60 million active business pages, then you can see there are plenty of opportunities for your business to make a nice profit too.